Your search is over. This is a must-see. Maintenance-free neighborhood with a 3-bedroom/2-bath 1-story home located in the highly coveted and gated MiraBay community with award-winning resort-style amenities. Curb appeal in spades with luscious landscaping framing the covered front porch that overlooks a preserve. Upon entry, an inviting view to the open-concept kitchen, dining room, and family room. This showstopper kitchen is truly the statement piece of this home. Stainless steel appliances, gas range, built-in oven and microwave, dishwasher, sliding built-in trash bins, real wood cabinetry with beautiful hardware, gleaming granite countertops, and large pantry. The oversized island overlooks the living room. Large master bedroom includes a massive walk-in closet with a stunning ensuite with a spacious double vanity with a walk-in shower with built-in bench. Other features include a private toilet and linen closet. Bedrooms 2 and 3 equally nice with great closet space and are split with a second bathroom, including a tub/shower combo with a linen closet. Carpet in all bedrooms with tile through the common and bathrooms area. Interior mud room near the garage entry for laundry with a sink. Covered rear patio is perfect for outdoor dining and relaxation. So majestically well lit and cozy with unparalleled upgrades, pre-wired for surround sound, again it is a must-see. Homeowners in MiraBay have many amenities to enjoy such as a community pools, fitness center, cafe, water access for bay fishing, running trails and countless wonderful neighbors to help you pass the weekends. It's an all-around great community to live in. Florida living is found in this Key West style home that sits on a premier preserve lot overlooking an untouched and protected 500-acre natural habitat in the Apollo Beach area.